I will create quality multimedia virtual tours to increase your business. Contact and brief us about your project. Pack up all the content you need to show before you place the order, and send us your files via transfer online. After, I will stitch and edit your 360 panorama images and create your multimedia virtual tour. What I will provide: high-quality HDR 360 degrees panorama stitching service. Photo editing includes contrast, brightness, color correction, and nadir retouch. Aerial drone 360 degrees panoramas stitching, which also requires sky replacements. We can create your floor plan and interactive virtual tour from it. We can integrate your virtual tour on Google Maps. Your virtual tour can be started from a little planet. Pop-up video, text, images, links to your website, Photoshop, object removal. The virtual tour can become interactive. We can add photo galleries, pop-up video, text, images, links to your website, animated buttons, sound effects, interface, and professional look. Why should you select me? Quick service. Professional and accurate work. Revisions until you are fully satisfied. 100% satisfaction is guaranteed. Delivery starts in 2 or 3 days, depending on the amount of work required. I accept JPG or RAW files, and I will output the stitched 360 degrees panorama images in JPG format of the highest possible quality, ready for Google Street View integration. Fast and responsive service that is 100% satisfaction guaranteed. You will save time, stress, and money. Feel free to contact me, and start our collaboration.